Okay, what we have here is the structure faces south, so this is the northeast corner. This is a post-tension cable, steel cable. This is a post-tension steel cable home. Alright, it was a very strong system. By the way, there's different styles of post-tension. I don't know which one this is. It's a post-tension type. If you come around here and you look at the foundation perimeter, you see these circles. That's an indication that this is a post-tension slab foundation. Okay, no brainer. All right, pretty easy to figure out. So, well, what we have here is one of our cables. It has not been stretched and cut. All right, it's rusting and stuff. The rust is going to continue on inside the cable. See how it's been plastered over there? It's because the cables have been stretched, the cables have been cut, the pockets have been filled. Pockets have been filled. This is an open pocket. Okay, without a brace on it, I can tell. I don't think this cable's been stretched. Again, we're on the northeast corner. Also, any wood like this, form board wood, okay, that should be removed from around the foundation perimeter. You're welcome.